Alright guys, so in today's video, I created the weirdest Roblox game ever. I asked you guys for ideas in a community post, and you guys commented some crazy stuff, like make a game where the objective is to make other players fart, or make a dummy that walks around and says, "Hey boys." And this video is going to be really interesting because there were some super funny and weird ideas, and I hope you guys enjoy. Alright guys, now before we make the game, I'm actually going to go ahead and go through all of the ideas with you to show you guys actually what we're going to be making, and then we'll make each one. Now the main objective of this game, okay, and I know it's pretty weird, but you guys liked it a lot, but it's going to be to make a game where the objective is to make other players fart. And as you can see, you guys said yes, 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 and yes. Okay, so you're really interested. And then there will be like a bunch of random mechanics throughout the game. So one of them is whenever you walk, you become slower and slower until you say, "I'm a snail," and you go back to normal speed, okay? I know that's going to be annoying. Another idea is you can grab your own limbs and use them as weapons or shields, but after they're used, they disappear. That's going to be pretty funny too. Make a dummy that walks around and says, "Hey boys." Another one that says, if you stand still for more than 5 seconds, you start to play the violin. Another one where there will be milk in the game, and if you touch it, you drink it, and it makes you have bigger bones and also increases your max HP. And then someone said that again, milk heals you. And then make it so every time you die, you hear someone scream and smash on their keyboard. Alright, it's gonna be perfect. Alright, cool. So then at the end, also I'm gonna have one of my friends join the game, and we're gonna test it out together, and it'll be so funny. Alright, so we'll start off simple with just the milk that spawns, and if you touch it, you get bigger and also increases your HP. Alright guys, so as you can see, I got the milk right here. Let me show you how it works. So I also put a sound effect in it, so I make it even worse. Let me turn my audio up. But anyways, you touch the milk, and as you can see, we grow a little bit bigger, and also you have that wonderful sound effect. Okay, can it please stop? Why is it so long? Now also, I wanted to get something. So as you can see, I put quite a few milk cartons right here. Now I'm going to go ahead and run into all of these and see the noise it makes. And oh my gosh, okay. Stop that, stop it. Okay, but as you can see, that'll be kind of funny. There'll be a lot of milk cartons throughout the game. Alright, next I'll make it so every time you die, you hear someone scream and smash their keyboard. That'll be pretty easy. Alright, so essentially when you could die, as you can see, it'll make this really annoying sound. Okay, it's exactly what he wanted. So, yeah, that's perfect. Now, also, the objective of the game is to make other players fart, right? Now, what I want to do with that, actually, though, is I'm going to make it so you have weapons where you kill people, and then when you kill someone, they fart and die. So let me go ahead and also add the farting and the farting sound effect when they die. All right, and as you can see here, it should work. And okay, you get both of the beautiful sound effects, and as you can see, I farted. Alright, it was pretty gross looking. It's just like green gas. So yeah. Alright, next I'll make the dummy that walks around and says, "Hey boys." Let me go ahead and do that. Alright, so as you can see, I got my dummy right here. Let's see if he works. "Hey boys." And he's just running around in a circle. Every like few seconds he'll just run somewhere random. So as you can see, he does it again. He's just running. And it's kind of funny because it actually kind of looks like a real player a little bit when he just runs around. So yeah, it's kind of cool actually. But obviously it doesn't really add much to the game, but it'll just be kind of making the game more weird whenever we have the finished product. People will join and be like, "What the heck is this guy? Why is he running around saying 'hey boys'?" Oh, it's gonna be so funny. Alright, cool. Let me do the next one. Alright, so then we have another feature where whenever you walk, you'll become slower and slower until you say, "I'm a snail," and then you'll go back to your normal speed. Now that I can already tell is gonna be annoying, but I'll do it real quick. Alright, now as you guys can see, I'm walking right here, right? And you kind of can't really tell right away, but I am getting slower by the second, alright? This dummy can literally outrun me. You can't really tell right now, but I'm getting slower, as you can see. I'm looking for... Okay, you can definitely tell now. I'm literally walking so slow. Look at this. I'm like an old man, like looking grumpy. But yeah, I'm very, very slow. And now it even gets to this point where actually it's impossible to move. So as you can see, wait for it. Okay, I literally can't walk anymore. I'm stuck. Okay, I'm pressing the button, but I can't move. Okay, so now to be able to walk again, all you have to do is say, "I am a snail," and boom, I can run again. So yeah, it's pretty cool how that works. Also, it's gonna be really annoying. I can just tell already I'm getting slower again, but we'll see what happens with that. Alright, so next we have an idea where basically you can grab your own limbs and use them as weapons or shields, and then after they use to disappear. Now, honestly, I think I'm going to just make him have it permanently, but we'll see what happens with that. Alright, now as you guys can see too, I also made a little animation where basically he rips off his arm to use it. So It's pretty funny how that works. He just grabs his arm and puts it in his hand. Okay, so I got it working, but not exactly how I wanted it to. I'm not gonna lie, it was a little tricky to make it so that actually you can use the arm as itself. I probably could have figured it out, but I kind of cheaped out on it. But anyways, as you can see, just watch this. So you press click, and okay, you get your arm. Now where's your arm? Okay. I made it like this kind of arm. I don't really know why, but I'm telling you guys, it was a little tricky trying to get the actual arm to work. Maybe I'm just a bad scripter. Sorry, guys. Okay, but I could not be asked to deal with it. It took way too long. So yeah. But anyways, let me show you guys actually how this works on a dummy. So as you can see, I can go ahead and swing. And if I hit someone, oh, stop running, bro. Hold on, let me type I'm in snail. I'll be able to move again. Anyways, if I hit this guy over here, as you can see, it makes a noise, and it also is like a little swoosh, right? Now, if I don't hit anyone, it just swooshes. Now, it'll do damage too, but just because these are dummies, they don't really have any health, it doesn't show the damage bar above them. But yeah, pretty cool. All right, so let me actually show you guys what it looks like on the player. I have a little test server right here. Oh, can this guy stop? Okay, but anyways, I like how it's not like a tool. You have to actually click, and it kind of spawns in. So as you can see, we click, and then it rips your arm off, and then you have an arm. So as you can see, it does damage, and there we go. He's dead. Oh my gosh. Okay, now that's how the game's gonna work pretty much, honestly. That's pretty much the basic mechanics. And then we'll have a leaderboard up here, which actually is already working. As you can see, we have the leaderboard right there. 1 kill for me. So if I kill him again, obviously I'll get 2 kills. And as you can see, I have 2 kills. Now I guess the goal of this game is to really have the most kills as you can. So yeah. Alright, so all I really have to do is one more feature and then a map. Alright, so if you stand still for more than 5 seconds, start to play the violin. That is gonna be funny. I can already picture it in my head. Alright, I'm not gonna lie, this was a little tricky to get working, but as you can see, if you stand still for more than 5 seconds, it should work. So right now, as you can see, it's just printing out infinite, which means there's like no time. But if I stop moving, it'll start counting to 5, okay? And once it gets to 5, you'll see what happens, okay? It plays a violin. And as you can see, we have this beautiful script where if you stop walking, it just plays a violin. Very cool though, and as you can see, it's in that area, so if I zoom out, you don't really hear it as loud. That's gonna be so funny. I can just picture it when it's in an actual game. But then you have to unequip the violin yourself, so yeah. Let me actually go ahead and stop moving again, make sure that works, and boom, it does work just as planned. Oh, and what the heck? Wait, what? Okay, a little bit of a bug there, but it's fine. It's a weird game, you know? Alright, cool. Alright, guys, so now what I'm gonna do is go ahead and make the map and publish the game. Okay, boys, so I got a little map here, as you guys can see. Something pretty simple, okay? Didn't want to waste too much time or anything, so I just got this. But as you can see, I think it'll do a pretty good job. We have a little bit of terrain changing. We have our little dummy right here. And then also, these little dots right here are basically to make milk spawn in. So let's go ahead and go in the actual game and see what it looks like in here, get a little feel for it. So yeah, kind of cool. Touch your milk, you grow, stuff like that happens. And oh, where's the dummy going? No, come back, dummy. Okay, that sound effect is so long. Alright, guys, so I think it's about time to actually go ahead and play the game with my friends. It's honestly kind of done. I know it's really weird, but hey, you know, the goal of the game is to get the most kills, and we have the weapon system. We have all our weird features. I think it's about time, boys. Okay, Maddie, welcome to my game, dude. Okay, you may be wondering what this is. Okay, it's supposed to be the weirdest game on Roblox. Now, the objective of this game, okay, I don't know if you can tell, but you just ripped your arm off. Hey, don't hit me yet. Don't hit me, yo. But you just ripped your arm off, okay, and now you're using your arm as a weapon. Okay, now the objective of the game is to kill me and get the most kills you can. Now, basically, when you kill someone, though, oh, you're playing the violin. Okay, that's another feature of this game. Whenever you stand still for more than 5 seconds, you start playing the violin. And okay, let me move. Hold on. You start playing the violin if you stand still for more than 5 seconds, which is a great feature in my opinion. No, you just hear the violin from random people. Look at this guy.
All these people here.
All right, now go ahead and kill someone. Okay, you'll see the objective. Oh,
I died.
So as you can see,
that gas?
Yes, that's gas. If you die, you fart, you rage, and it makes a really bad noise. Now, I'm not gonna lie, it's not that bad. It's, you know, it's kind of interesting. You get your little arm, you get the most kills as possible, but just the sounds, okay, are what's horrible.
Ew, the sounds gross.
I'm sorry, dude. I'm sorry. But yeah, what do you think of this game so far? Do you think it's interesting?
Yeah, interesting, definitely, but it's very weird, bro, and I don't think you'll make any money off it ever.
Okay, that's not the goal, you know. You think it's weird though, right?
Yes, it's very weird.
So would you say this is like the weirdest game you ever played?
I seem pretty weird, but this is up there, and that's all I can say.
I'll take that, alright? The objective was to make the weirdest... Okay, I'm muting this game. It's so bad. Okay,
Same.
anyways, the objective was to make the weirdest game possible, and honestly, I think we did it. But as you can see, guys, I think we did it, okay? I'm probably going to get rid of the thing where you can't move, because that's pretty annoying. We have a leaderboard system, you know, they're trying to get to the top, okay? But yeah, he said it himself. This is the weirdest game he's ever played. So, mission complete, boys. Thank you to everyone who commented their ideas. It was super nice. Be sure to subscribe if you want more Roblox game development related videos like this one. Also, be sure to leave a like if you enjoyed it. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.